Brace yourself.
Ooh, one part from eBay Motors. I gotta go with a truck for my exhaust.
Copy the whoop.
You guys need some more B-roll? We got you.
Guys, my name is Amelia Hartford, and we are here on day one of eBay Motors Between Two Rides Season 2.
This year, I'm the host, and as the host, I am on the hunt for badass builds that put their stock counterparts to shame.
We have an incredible day ahead of us, an incredible week for you guys to see, and I can't wait to bring you along the journey.
What's up, guys? I am Cleetus McFarland, and we are out here with eBay Motors for Season 2 of Between Two Rides. We got Donny, the drift car, here all the way from Florida, getting ready to go out on the track and tear it up. Crispy ain't got nothing on this, dude. Crispy, look at this thing. This guy's gonna hold it.
And you'll kind of stand up and you'll say, and this is Between Two Rides, you know?
And this is Between Two Rides.
If I could get any two parts from eBay Motors, it would be two twin turbo. Wait, that doesn't make sense.
Time to go serve some burgers.
Hey there, brother.
Hi, how can I help you today? Welcome to Johnny Burger.
This is our new fast food chain. We'll be starting after Between Two Rides, Johnny Burger.
Sounds good. We're gonna trash the car, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. That's such a bad idea. Couldn't control this car at all, to be honest.
Can't see out the windshield.
And we couldn't see it.
How's the e-brake feel?
Oh, it doesn't work.
Would you like a fry?
This drive-thru is a lot more challenging than we thought. I can't see it.
Can't see it. It's coming in the car. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna puke.
I'm covered. All right, here we go.
That one I was making sure they weren't getting away, man. You gotta be a little bit gentle so the bags don't rip.
Donny survived the day. He's covered in smoothie, but we had a blast.
Oh my God!
Fatality.
We just got absolutely blasted.
Yeah, I got Mike Tyson was one of them.
Wrap day one, season 2, Between Two Rides. 4 more to go.
What's up, guys? I'm TJ Hunt. Today we're on set Between Two Rides in downtown LA with public roads closed down and my M4. It's gonna be a good time.
And I know a guy who loves to get a
Want a booster seat?
I might need one.
We're gonna be heading towards the finish line at hopefully 120, 140, 180 if they let me, but I'm gonna do my best to make sure I can push that limit as fast as possible.
Oh my God! This thing is fast! Oh my gosh, I like this a lot.
I know, it's time for you to step up to the plate and buy one.
I know.
Messing around with those catalogs. One of these. Car just launched to drive itself.
It's true. It's guaranteed fit. You know they're going to fit the right time for the first time.
Oh, you almost had it. They almost had that.
So you've been a professional skydiver for how long now?
About 22 years.
22 years. How many jumps do you have?
Somewhere over 15,000.
Heart rate at what? 70. There we go. Hell yeah! I didn't think it was gonna take third. That was sick.
It grabbed right in the meat though.
Yeah.
It felt good.
Day just ended. Very cold, very tired. That was a lot of fun. I never thought I'd be drifting public LA streets. That was gangster.
And it's cold, so I'm doing the cold dance. So we signing off. Have a good night.
What's up, guys? I'm Hailie Deegan. We made it out here to Lake Elsinore. We're getting ready to film. We're gonna be whipping around some Can-Ams, having a blast on these tracks.
Can-Am Maverick X3, and this is Between Two Rides.
So the idea is that we have a red Komodo up diving with whatever one's trying to crash into the Can-Am.
I'm Jet. I'm a FPV drone racing pilot. In my line of business, usually I try not to crash my drones. So it's a really good treat to just get out here and just get to crash.
Oh, perfect.
X marks the spot.
It's right there! Oh, that was so close!
Oh, I missed.
Oh, look at all those That is a wrap!
Just got to set, Aqua Dulce. First time doing anything like this, so this is cool.
CboysTV in the house. Looks like we're about to shoot a full-blown movie here.
Is there anything you don't want us to say? You probably shouldn't say. Anything like that.
Oh, great.
You could say crepes.
My name's Ken and my mom's name is Carolyn.
My name's Evan and my mom's name is Patty.
My name's Ryan and my mom's name is Wendy. Hi, Mom.
Ken, what's life wide open to you?
Life Wide Open is
I literally don't know if you've ever had to define that.
no.
What's Life Wide Open to you, though?
What does it mean to you? What does it mean?
It's trying to live. Life Wide Open is trying to live life to the fullest and try and live it with no restrictions. And it's how we try and embody our channel and just our whole lives.
Money! Wow!
Right a tear in my eye. Years of driving Chevys for just this. Sorry.
Yeah, if YouTubing doesn't work out, I could always go into the boom mic business.
Well, first of all, it's upside down.
If we start and tipping, not that we will, brace yourself.
No, don't brace yourself. Lean down.
Oh.
He just hit a barricade that jumped over a car and made it look like it was like a little anthill. Hey, can I take this for our RV? Don't need it. I think it's so good.
He's just trying to get laughing at you.
Okay.
I know your tricks.
You know me, man.
Is that another Honda Civic? Oh no, it's a Kubota.
Hey, what's up, guys? That dude in blue here. Also David Patterson here filming with Between Two Rides Season 2. It's gonna be a good time. Come on, baby.
Everyone thinks I'm taller than I am.
You have a foot above your head. Oh my god. I'm used to being the short one.
The internet wants to know how tall I am. We just found out I'm short.
Yeah.
We just wrapped another incredible day shooting season 2 of Between Two Rides, and we absolutely sent their Civics. Season 2 Between Two Rides!